Lipin ako ng banyaga. Mag-end na tayo. Ay, wala. May people dito. Ay, nasaan ang mga people dito? Excuse me. Ayan, basahin ko na kayo ha. Para hindi kayo dyan malugi. Charot. Habang nagkakape ako. Habang ako'y nabubuhay. Show your sit-up. My sit-up not good. It's a cheap sound card only. I brought that one on TikTok shop. 2,000 plus. Not good. I am planning to buy a new one. It's a key one because it has a good quality, a good sound also, and basta good quality. I also saw on the store that they have a double mic also. I wanted to buy that one, but it's so expensive. I cannot afford. So I'm still using the old one. This one almost, how many months is that? Mga 6 months or so. This sound card that I'm using. Ayan. But after our vacation, maybe in the province, I will try to save money so I can buy a new one, guys. Kasi the mic is already grounded and the sound card sometimes is not working. No? Maybe, and also the sound is very very has a lot of parang bass. Shadow matining. I don't know what's the English of that. Basta. So, I'm gonna save money to buy another sound card. And then, if I can buy a new one, I will give that one to my sister-in-law. So, she can also use that for live. No? Kahit hindi kayo nagtanong, sinabi ko lang, ayaw niyo magtanong eh. Tanungin niyo kasi ako ba? Yung kape. Sa mga lasa.
I-relax ko ulit ah. Ano to?
Ba't di kayo nagko-comment dyan? Love you. Aaron, Leon, ayan, Smokey. Lulu, buhay. Hi, Lulu. Kunta, Omar John. Asan yun sa kong cellphone lang?
Doon, sa ano?
Kwarto?
Hindi, sa phone. Babalik ako doon.
Agoy, iniwan mo.
Oh, saglit lang to. I-relive ko lang to eh.
Thank you guys for joining us always. Ayan, every night. Thank you guys so much. Michael Chandan. Zira, I'm lucky for all. Hello, Marinel, Nafa, Ibrar, ayan. Hi Marco. No, I'm not a gamer. My son is a gamer. Mobile Legend gamer. But you know, before in my other channel, I was doing game live. But I stopped because I don't have viewers kasi I only have one like that. So I stopped, and I cannot also push that. My time is on.